Congratulations on purchasing your Rambo bike hauler. Today we're going to show you how to properly assemble and operate your bike hauler. Here's a list of all the tools you will need to assemble your bike hauler. Start by removing all the parts from the box. The first step is to slide on the rear wheel mount onto the end of the platform. You can then insert and tighten down the 6mm Allen bolt at the end of the platform. Then on the other end of the platform, you can attach the front wheel tray to the platform as shown. It is very important to have the front wheel tray facing the correct direction. You'll notice from the warning label which side should be facing the inside of the platform. Then you can use two 8mm bolts and washers to tighten the wheel tray to the platform. You can use a 10mm ratchet to tighten them all the way down. Then on the other platform, you can repeat these steps to attach the rear wheel mount and front wheel tray. Today, we'll be using our Hitch display to show you how to attach the bike hauler to your vehicle. Start by inserting the hitch receiver into the hitch of your vehicle. Then you can slide your 16mm and 30mm washers onto your 16mm hitch bolt as shown. Then you can slide the bolt into the hole of your hitch. Then you can tighten it down with a 15/16 ratchet. Once tightened, you can attach the cotter pin on the other side of the bolt. Now it is time to install the hitch stabilizer. To do so, put the U-bolt on top of the bike carrier and the bent edge over the wedge contacting the bike carrier. Then install both washers and tighten down firmly. The stabilizer will remove the up and down play between the bike carrier and the hitch. Always be sure to install the hitch stabilizer when using the bike carrier. You can then place the first platform onto the hitch receiver as shown. Undo the 4 bolts that are currently holding the mounting bracket together. You can then attach the top and bottom mounting brackets to the hitch receiver and platform. Then use the 4 8mm bolts that you took off earlier to reattach the top and bottom mounting bracket. Do not tighten them all the way down because you'll need to make adjustments later. Be sure to leave enough space so you can still operate the pivoting lever. Next, you can use a tape measure to measure accordingly to figure 3 in your manual. Once measured and aligned correctly, you can then tighten the 8mm bolts all the way down. You can then take your second platform and place it on top of the hitch receiver as shown. Repeat the previous steps to attach the second platform to the hitch. Before placing your bike onto your hauler, you must first undo the rear wheel mount strap and flip the front wheel clamp to the other side. You can then load your bike onto your Rambo bike hauler. Secure the front wheel with the front wheel clamp as shown. It is very important to place the clamp as close to the front forks as possible. This is to ensure the safety of your bike. Be sure to center your rear wheel mount under the rear wheel and then secure it nice and tight with the strap. Then grab the extra straps provided in the box. As shown, you can slide the first strap through the hole of the front wheel tray and wrap it around the front wheel. You can then pull it under and then tighten it nice and secure to the front wheel. You can then slide the next strap through the gap of the bike seat. Then wrap it down and underneath the center of the bike hauler as shown. You can then pull the rest of the strap up and connect the hooks as shown and tighten down the strap with the ratchet. The last strap you can use to wrap around the top of the front wheel clamp as shown. Wrapping it down and underneath the bottom of the wheel clamp, you can then attach the hooks and securely tighten the strap with the ratchet. Your Rambo bike is now securely attached to the Rambo bike hauler. Your bike hauler has 3 positions: vertical, horizontal, and -45 degrees. When in use, be sure to have the safety pin properly in place. Never travel with the battery still attached, so be sure to remove your battery before heading out on the road. Congratulations again on purchasing your Rambo bike hauler.